Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Capricorns. So we have the Magician on your side, and the card below which was wanting to come was the Two of Cups. That's beautiful. So let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with. Energies of the person you are dealing with, Capricorns. What are the energies of the person you are dealing with? Okay, the Knight of Wands. Okay. The most likely outcome of this situation is the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, Capricorns, we have the Magician on your side. So definitely wanting a new beginning, ready to put in all the effort and all the resources to manifest this new beginning. As far as your person is concerned, this person really has a lot of passion for you. They are also wanting to rush in towards you. For the most likely outcome, we have the Ace of Pentacles. So definitely there is a new beginning having the potential of it being long-term and stable. Okay. So let's clarify the Magician on your side, Capricorns. So for the Magician, we have the Knight of Wands. So now the Knight of Wands has come on your side. The Chariot. Okay. And the Page of Swords. Page of Swords is very active today. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Wands on your person's side. So for the Knight of Wands, we have the King of Swords, the Ace of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. Okay. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles. For the most likely outcome, we have the Emperor, the Two of Cups. As I said, it came up from this deck at that time also, and the Empress. So Capricorns, you are really wanting things to move forward very fast. You have a lot of passion for them. They also have a lot of passion. It's showing up here with the Knight of Wands. So both of you have a lot of passion for each other. You are wanting a new beginning. You are just thinking perhaps of some idea, or perhaps trying to think of the ways as to how can you make things go forward very fast. You want things to pick up pace actually. Okay. You are ready to invest in it. You have a lot of passion, and this is making you think of the ways as to how can you make things go forward in a comparatively faster way, or speed up things, whatever you call it, or take them to the next level. For the Knight of Wands on your person's side, we have the King of Swords, the Ace of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. So definitely a lot of, maybe this person is not saying that much, maybe, but yes, a lot of logical thinking is being done here also. But for this Ten of Cups, how to reach this commitment, how to reach this happily ever after. They want a relationship with you, they want a happily ever after with you, they want a commitment with you. Okay, so this is marriage, this is marriage, this is long term, this is stable. They view you as that their wish fulfillment. So this person is trying to think of the ways and means as to how they can achieve this Ten of Cups with you. Okay, even if they are not saying it, I really don't think they are saying that much to you, but that is what they want. So there is a lot of logical thinking in spite. So there is a lot of passion and on both the sides, and a lot of logical thinking also on both the sides. That way it's sort of balance, I should say. Maybe trying to not move ahead on the basis of passion, and that is why trying to think logically. So that is also an aspect to it. So in spite of there being a lot of passion, you people don't want to rush in, and you are thinking logically also how to take it forward. It can be that also. The most likely outcome is the Ace of Pentacles. So for the Ace of Pentacles, we have the Emperor and the Empress with the Two of Cups in between, what else would you want? Suddenly I realize we have the Empress here and the Emperor here. In between is the Two of Cups. So both of you are at the same page. Both of you are wanting a new beginning here. Both of you are at the same situation in this relationship, I should say. And that is what is showing up here also. Okay, so with the Emperor and the Empress, it is Empress is talking about abundance, creativity, and a new beginning. With the Emperor being there, it is authoritative, taking the role, taking the lead, wanting to make things forward, taking a decision, something of that. So the qualities of an Emperor. Okay, and with the Two of Cups in between, I should say this is a bonding, this is a friendship, this is a love, a newly found love. It doesn't seem to be that years old, but that is what you want here with the Ten of Cups. So you want a happily ever after to this Two of Cups, which is a budding up of a relationship, or at least it's less than 1 year type of a situation here, few months, or maybe just meeting each other, that type of a vibe. So taking a making a new beginning or taking a step forward, taking charge of the situation, taking the step forward, making a move so that this relationship can have that happily ever after and a sort of a step up in the relationship. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Listen with your heart. Number one may be of some significance for you. Listen with your heart. You are listening but need to hear with a loving heart. So that is the message for you, Capricorns. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.